Today, we're going to explore the vibrant city of Athens, Greece. From its rich history to its mouth-watering cuisine, Athens is a must-visit destination. So, let's dive in and discover all the exciting things this city has to offer. Athens is a city steeped in history, with its roots dating back to ancient times. The Acropolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must-see landmark. Perched atop a hill, it offers stunning views of the city and is a symbol of ancient Greek civilization. The Parthenon, an iconic temple, is another must-visit site. Athens is also a city of culture, with numerous museums and galleries showcasing its rich history and art. The National Archaeological Museum, the Museum of Cycladic Art, and the Benaki Museum are just a few of the many cultural institutions worth visiting. Athens is a food lover's paradise, with a wide range of culinary experiences to explore. From traditional Greek dishes like moussaka and souvlaki to modern fusion cuisine, there's something for everyone. The city is also known for its vibrant street food scene, with vendors selling everything from gyros to souvlaki to fresh seafood. Accommodation in Athens is diverse, with options ranging from luxury hotels to budget-friendly hostels. Some popular areas to stay include the Plaka district, which is close to many of the city's main attractions, and the Monastiraki district, known for its lively nightlife and shopping. Athens is a city that never sleeps, with a lively nightlife scene that includes everything from traditional Greek tavernas to modern bars and clubs. The area around Syntagmus Square is a popular spot for nightlife, with numerous bars and clubs. Athens is a city of people, with a warm and welcoming culture. Locals are known for their hospitality and are always ready to share their city's history and culture with visitors. In conclusion, Athens is a city that offers something for everyone. From its rich history to its vibrant nightlife, Athens is a must-visit destination. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore this incredible city. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and recommendations. Until next time, safe travels!